Hi friends. Our next project connects to pop art. Pop art is a type of artwork that began in the 1960s, and it usually contains images that people see in their everyday life on TV, such as TV commercials, TV shows, comics, billboard advertisements. You see here, these are two examples of pop art paintings from the 1960s. This one is a painting of a face from an old comic, and this one is a painting of a soup can. And this was done by one of the most famous pop artists, whose name was Andy Warhol. So pop art shows things that we see, as I said, in everyday life. You'll often see things that are very popular because the word pop connects to popular, such as cartoon characters. Here in this pop art example, you see Mickey Mouse, you see the American flag, things that we might connect to, see in our everyday life, CocaCola, food products. And the paintings often contain very bright colors that you see on packaging in the grocery stores or in magazine advertisements. Here's another example of a pop art inspired work of art. You see very bright colors. We have a Coca-Cola container and all kinds of different kind of little images, clouds, rainbows, ice cream, lollipops, all kinds of fun stuff. So we're going to talk about the pop artist Burton Morris, and he's a contemporary pop artist, which means he's an artist who's still working today. And he was born in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania in 1964. And as you see here, he likes to paint everyday objects. Here we see Coca-Cola here, and it's popcorn that you might see in the movie theater. And he uses very, very bright colors with thick black outlines. Burton Morris has designed advertisement logos and artwork for many famous companies, such as the Academy Awards or the Oscars. Those are the awards that occur every year for people who make films, who do films. And here is the logo he did for that. He did the 2006 Major League Baseball All-Star Game logo. Here is an example of the catcher. And Perrier, which is a type of sparkling water, and he did, you can see the labels for the Perrier, it looks like musicians, and Coca-Cola. And he was asked to create a work of art to be on display at the Coca-Cola Museum in Atlanta, Georgia. So here you see a series of Coke bottles that he did using all different bright colors in the background. And he is from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, which is actually the town where they make Heinz Ketchup. So if you're a big ketchup fan, like my son is, you can see here are a series of paintings he did with Heinz Ketchup. And then there was a popular TV show called Friends in the 1990s, and he did the artwork and the logo for the TV show. The TV show often took place around this coffee shop called Central Perk, and you see the coffee in the background, and he did the logo for that. We're going to focus on his pop art paintings just because we are in the season. We are going to be celebrating Valentine's Day in the next few days. Here are two examples of his pop art hearts paintings. And this one is based off of the candy hearts that you see with all kinds of lettering. And this one has Hershey's Kisses, obviously candy we can connect to for Valentine's Day. And this one is a heart in the shape. It is the earth, the world, in the shape of a heart, with also hearts connecting. Looks like there's a heart in North America and a heart in Europe there. All right, friends, thanks for watching. I hope you will enjoy this next Valentine's pop heart inspired art activity. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.